बड़ी खबर इस वक्त यही है कि CWC कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी की बैठक में राहुल गांधी को दोबारा अध्यक्ष बनाने की मांग हुई।
In between we had 7-8 virtual meetings, but physically we could not meet because of this pandemic. Today in the CWC meeting, CWC members, permanent invitees, special invitees and chief ministers of the Congress ruled states participated. Actually, initially we had an obituary reference condolence resolution on Oscar Fernandez ji and Raji Satwa ji. CWC meeting was conducted to discuss the important agendas. One agenda is one current political situation, to forthcoming assembly elections and organizational elections. A copy of the opening remarks of the Honorable Congress President at the CWC meeting already has been circulated to the media. We passed 3 resolutions, one on the political situation, on inflation and on acute agrarian distress and diabolical attack on the India's farmers. Following this, the CWC also discussed the proposed significant and revolutionary training program for the party workers and leaders. We are going for a massive training program from top to bottom of the Congress party. Party has decided to undertake regular training programs for leaders and workers at all levels. This will be regular and continuous training programs. Though this regular continuous training program, the workers and leaders will be trained in party ideologies, policies, expectation of a Congress worker, grassroots messaging, election managements, failure of present government and countering propaganda. In this regard, it has been decided to conduct an orientation camp for state trainers and in charge at Sevagram Varda from November 12 to 15. After that, state level, district level, block level training will be conducted regularly. Further, CWC also discussed and decided to observe a ground mass agitation awareness program named Jan Jagran Abhiyan across the country on runaway inflation and price rise between 14th November to 29 November 2021. This mass awareness and contact program, the party workers may reach up to the maximum number of people and create awareness on the bad handling of economy by the central government and resulted price rise.